Where are we today, honey?
Rivers Race.
That's right. So we have the lifted Lexus here for me. We got the Daewoo Chevy Epic for Cassandra. We both removed our hoods because, you know, less weight, more power, baby. There's quite a bit of cars that turned up. This is living up to its name as the shitbox race. As you can see here, we got a radiator, ratchet strapped in, and wiring zip tied together. And oh my God, look at that frame. But so we did the draws. You guys walked up. You signed your waivers. You bought your money. You paid your money. You got to pull a ball out of a bag, a ping pong ball with a number on it. And whatever number you drew was the car you got. So that one there is just a Hyundai that somebody brought. We have a number 15, a Concorde. This is a big old boat. I haven't actually seen too many of these around me anymore. Cobalts, Impalas, Preludes, Civics, Hyundai Accent. That thing's going to be one of the main competitions here, I think. An old Nissan Sentra, another Mazda 3. Look at the bumper on this one. I can't even save that for Demolition Derby. Look how rotted that is. Cobalt, Focus, window smashed out. Another Mazda 3, PT Cruiser. They're trying to bump start this car. I don't think it's doing very well. Focus, Mazda 3, Mazda Protege. This is an old Protege. Got a Ford Fusion. They're just walked the racetrack over there. Number 12, VW Jetta.
Brandon.
Got a Kia Magentis. Toyota Echo 96. This one here is a car that they brought on their own. We got a Cobalt. This thing. This one here looks like Passat with square tubing. The heck is that? Cheater. Cheater.
Are you checking all the cars out?
I'm just looking at them. What a cheater River is. Tells me not to cheat, gets upset with my tires, and then brings that. Look at the skid plate. Look at the bumper. What a cheater.
Is that his car?
I believe so. It's got the big flag on
The
it.
dinky car glued to the roof.
It's actually tech screwed to the roof. Huh? It's tech screwed to the roof. Another Mazda 3. Hyundai Sonata V6. This one here was brought here by Tucker. Another Ford Fusion, Honda Civic, Ford Focus, a newer one, and we have some ones in the field that are not really up to par, I guess. Sonata, looks like a Cobalt, Cruise, and a Cavalier. So it looks like 3 GMs are not making the race today, but I really don't think that Mitsubishi Lancer is making the race. My money was on that Lancer. It looked pretty quick. PT Cruiser. The guy that's getting into it definitely doesn't look like he fits. You fit in that car, Steven?
What?
You fit in that car?
I do, actually. It's like I took it on purpose.
Oh, well, you just smashed the windshield out right here in front of your face.
Wagon or no car?
Yeah. Hey, Steven, you got a flat tire.
Okay.
You might want to put air in it.
Definitely.
You're going to want 60 PSI in those tires.
Yeah, you got booster cables?
Yeah, over there.
Like,
No, I just got the pack. I don't have cables.
well, if I find cables, do you mind running your Lexus so I can charge this?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
So apparently it doesn't have an alternator. That sounds horrible.
PT Cruiser Bruiser.
So we're going to be getting this race happening here very soon.
Hey, you guys got air? You guys got air stuck over there, right?
It's on the cable, yes.
As long as it's got air conditioning, we're good.
This is going to be a hot, fast race. So yeah, everybody's just getting organized. I drew heat number 2. Cassandra drew heat number 5. And what they're doing, I believe, is the winner from each elite race is going on to the feature. And then they're going to have 2 consies in each consi winner. So there's going to be 7 cars in the feature, 5 or 6 in each round. So that's pretty cool. What we're going to be doing is taking the tires out of the trunks of these things because that is extra weight that is going to be smashing around back there. Maybe I should take it. I do. It is in my toolbox on the trailer.
Taking the airbag out. I don't feel like eating it.
That's too fancy, Dave. Leave it in. This Lexus has been through 3 car crashes and the airbag's still mint. Yeah, we're just gonna pop this out. Less weight. But yeah, my whole goal today is pretty much break the struts, blow the motor up, cook the transmission, but do not bend the frame. I do not want to bend the frame. Ugh, because this is still a half decent derby car. Everybody's trying to get their shit boxes ready. It's actually looking like it's coming along pretty good. Well, I guess I should take out like this and this, and maybe this giant chain too. I didn't even know I had all this stuff in the back of this Lexus. Just rip it out. Here, I'll rip it out. Hold the camera.
Thanks, buddy. You're so awesome.
Yeah. An airbag. Dave being a little baby.
That's me.
So now we got the spare tire to this one. Oh, no. No. There we go. Let's get the spare tire out of this one. We do have GoPros on each car. I don't know how long they're gonna last because of the mud and stuff like that. All right, how do you pop the trunk on this car? Is it in the glove box? Nope. Thought it was over here. That's just gas door. That's hood. There's your trunk, but it doesn't work. So let's go pop the trunk and get the tire out of this one. But yeah, you know, overall, oh, I already took the tire out, so that means I have no spares for this. Mint. So overall, I think it's going to be a pretty fun day. I'm hoping that the wife and I have a great day here without having no demolition derbies this year. It's been pretty boring. So, well guys, make sure you come back tomorrow. We're gonna have some awesome footage of racing. We're gonna have all the heats, we're gonna have the finals, we're gonna have the consies, we're gonna have the hits, we're gonna have the crashes, we're gonna have the rollovers. Hopefully there's even some fires because we have the fire department here. So, all right guys, make sure you come back tomorrow. Oh, he's trying to move that Concorde. The Concorde's moving. That is one big boat, man.
Got a 3.2 V6. She'll move.
I think 3.2 is like the worst motor they ever made.
No, yeah, 2.7 was it?
Oh, the 2.7. Yeah, I'm thinking 3.5. Maybe that didn't even come in it. But oh, she's spinning the tires as she drives into the side of that truck.
Yeah.
Oh, first accident of the day. Can I get your insurance information? Can I have your ownership and insurance information? Call the police. See you guys back here tomorrow. So heat number 1 is about to start. We got all the cars starting to line up. Safety third, right, boys and girls? So we got a Cobalt LT, a Passat Turbo with a flat tire. Now I've already said to River, what the heck is this? Where's the rules for this?
Right?
River, what the fuck?
Driver. My father. Okay, does he know? I'll count you.
What would you call him?
My father. Really? You're counting Tim.
You know what? I'm just gonna start plugging shit underneath River's hood.
Do it. He can't even get into it. He's got it locked.
Fucking just pull the O2 sensor and
I'm taking him out.
cheater! So we got
I'll count
a
you.
turbo Passat.
You want to count?
We got a Honda Civic. This was the only surviving car from last year. We got another Honda Civic, but this one's got a K&N, so it's got 10 extra horses. You know, Glenn, I'll shut this back door for you. So I'm gonna stand on the roof of probably the Durango so I can get a good view of this for you, everybody. We've got our flag counters, we got our techs. You guys got those flags ready?
Fucking rights, buddy.
So heat 1 is about to begin.